Today I want to take a moment to recognize Ada Lovelace, one of the most remarkable and often overlooked figures in the history of mathematics and computing. Born in 1815, Ada Lovelace was a brilliant mathematician and a writer. Ada daydreamed about machines and gadgets that could fly and solve real-world problems. Her mother encouraged her to study mathematics, hoping that it would ground her. But instead, it gave her imagination new meaning. When Ada was just 17, she met Charles Babbage and became fascinated by his difference machine, and later, the analytical engine. She described how the machine could be used for not just numbers, but also with symbols and patterns, essentially predicting what computers would do today. Her notes are well perceived as the earliest and most comprehensive accounts of modern computing, and for that, she's often called the first computer programmer. She once wrote that the analytical engine has no pretensions to originate anything. It can do whatever we know how to order it to perform. In other words, Ada understood that the human imagination is the true source of intelligence. Machines are powerful, but we are the thinkers behind them. Let's take, for example, this house. If I asked you to draw a house, everyone's drawings would look different. But what I might do instead, if we were to try again, but instead say something like, start in the middle of the paper, draw a square that's 2 inches long, start from the corner and draw a door, add a window, adding a triangle at the top for a triangle roof. This explains the algorithms of step-by-step instructions. Ada Lovelace imagined machines that could allow the exact steps to be followed and not just guess what you meant. Ada's story is not just about intellect, it's about vision. She imagined a world where logic and creativity could work together. So if you're a dreamer and if you ever wonder what if, you're in good company. Think like Ada, be curious, ask questions, and see beyond the numbers and towards the future.